Welcome to FastPay's video tutorial series. This video will demonstrate how to save and print a manual check in the remote payroll system, Millennium. Once logged into the remote payroll system, navigate to the company for which you want to write the check by clicking on the name of the company either in the navigation tree on the left or in the main pane. This will bring you to the company menu. Click on Payroll Entry to enter the Payroll menu. On the Payroll menu, first verify that the currently selected check date is correct. If it is not the correct check date, please contact us immediately before proceeding. Click on the Check Calculator menu item. On the Check Calculator main screen, click the link to continue to the first employee or use the tree to expand the list of employees and select the desired employee. On the Check Entry screen, select or unselect the desired options for this particular check, such as the option to pay the employee their salary or default hours, block automatic pay items, block deductions, and so on. For further help on any of these options, please contact our support team. At any time, you may click the Calculate button to see the calculated check with the currently selected options and pay details. You may go back and forth as often as you need to change the options, amounts, and other settings using the Calculate button to note the effects on the check. If you want a check's final net dollar amount to be a specific number, in the case of a bonus or commission for example, you can use the Net to Gross option to reverse calculate the total with taxes and other options taken into account. Choose Net to Gross and fill in the amount you want the final net check to be, in this case $500, and click Calculate, and you will see for that employee what the gross pay would have to be for the net to equal that $500. If we change the amount to $1,000, you can see the effect it has on the taxes and gross amount. We will now revert to our original figures on this check to proceed with the example. Once the check has been configured to match your needs and has been calculated, verify the detail amounts in the check preview at the bottom of the screen. Please pay special attention to the taxes. After the check details have been verified, click the Save Check button. On the Save Manual Check dialog, it is important to select the appropriate bank account from which the check will be drawn and to fill in a check number. Click Save Check when you are finished. Please do not click Print Check. The check details along with the tax liabilities are now saved into the payroll system and will be processed along with your next normal payroll. Click OK to close the save confirmation. At this point, you have two options to produce the check. You may either fill out a handwritten check using the total you just calculated, or you may print the check using your printer and check stock provided to you by FastPay. To print, navigate to the Reporting section in the tree and find the Print Manual Checks report. If this report is not in your list, you may add it by right-clicking in the Reports window and choosing New and then Standard Report. From the list that opens, choose Print Manual Checks. To print all manual checks in your current payroll at once, right-click the Print Manual Checks report and select Preview. Your installed PDF Reader application will open with the preview of your check or checks. Notice that the check we just entered in this tutorial is on the third page, Check 6002, which we know because that was the check number we entered on the Save Manual Check dialog. If you want to only print this single check, you may click File, Print, and in the Pages field enter 3 for just the third page. Alternatively, you can modify the properties of the report to print a particular check number by right-clicking the report and selecting Properties. Then, click on the Additional Formulas tab and in the first formula value, enter the check number that you just saved to the system, in this case, Check 6002. Then repeat the process to preview the report. As you can see in this example, Check 6002 is the only check to open. Once you are satisfied with which checks to print, simply select File, then Print, and select your printer from the list. Please be sure that your printer is powered on and the appropriate check stock has been loaded. Once you click Print on the print options, your check will print and you are finished. If you need additional help, please contact us by email at support@fastpaypayroll.com or by calling area code 806-780-0000. Thank you for watching.